is what we know. CBS 11's Robbie Owens live in West Forest today. And Robbie, life in general and what's next remains a struggle for a lot of people in that town.
That's right, Doug. And part of the struggle involves whether or not they will be rebuilt. Because take a look. Right now, we can see just how close now these homes were to the fertilizer plant. You see this house? That debris you see back there behind the tree? That's from the fertilizer plant. And many homeowners tell me that they need to know what happened over there before deciding what happens next.
I told them we might expect the worst because from what I hear, it's going to be pretty bad. But it was much worse than I expected.
A Korean War veteran, Bill Scott, knows a little about war zones. He just never expected to see one in West.
No way. This is a big surprise. I couldn't dream this up.
But the nightmare that began with the fertilizer plant explosion now has the couple, married some 60 years, revisiting major life decisions, like where they'll live, because the house, well...
It is a total loss, and we haven't decided yet. We're thinking about renting, and for a while, maybe rebuild. But we're both in our mid-80s, so we can't see any sense in building a new home yet. We may do that, but we may not. We would rather live in West, but it's a small town. There's no housing available. And on this many damaged homes, it's going to be hard to find a house in the West.
Looking at it on TV, it's nothing like seeing it in person. And I even told her, I said, I don't know how you got out.
Tim Betke's sister lost her home, and even with all the help pouring in, he worries about those who won't have the resources to rebuild.
You got plenty to drink, plenty to eat. But then, if you don't have insurance, it is a little scary knowing that where do you go from here? Some are going to need more than that down the road, you know.
So the phrase, back to normal, may have to take on new meaning. The hard reality here is that by the time the houses are rebuilt, many neighbors may have moved on.
I suggest the rest time my wife said, I'll visit you there. I won't go.
Everyone who called this apartment complex here home has scattered. You can see that there is nothing but debris here left. So the bottom line is, even if the faces and places here at West change, I keep hearing from the people here, though, that they are determined that someday, some way, West will be all right. Reporting live in West this evening, Robbie Owens, CBS 11 News.
Robbie, thanks. Little